Marie Curie stands as one of the most influential scientists in history. Born in Poland in 1867, she overcame immense obstacles to pursue her passion for science. Her groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity not only changed the course of physics and chemistry, but also paved the way for future generations of women in science. Today we begin our journey through her remarkable life, exploring the challenges she faced, the achievements she earned, and the legacy she left behind. Let's start by looking at her early years and the environment that shaped her determination and intellect. Marie Curie, born Maria Skłodowska, grew up in Warsaw, Poland, during a time when the country was under Russian control. Her family valued education deeply, despite facing political oppression and financial hardship. From a young age, Marie showed a keen interest in learning, excelling in mathematics and physics. Her father, a teacher, encouraged her curiosity, while her mother's early death instilled in her a sense of resilience. These formative years laid the foundation for her relentless pursuit of knowledge, even when opportunities for women were scarce. 19th century Poland, higher education for women was not allowed. Marie Curie, determined to learn, joined the secret Flying University, an underground institution that provided education to women. This experience not only broadened her academic horizons but also connected her with like-minded individuals who shared her passion for science and social progress. Despite the risks, Marie's commitment to learning never wavered, and she continued to seek knowledge wherever she could find it. 1891, Marie Curie made a bold decision to move to Paris and continue her studies at the University of Paris, known as the Sorbonne. The transition was challenging. She arrived with little money and struggled to adapt to a new language and culture. Despite these hardships, Marie excelled in her studies, quickly distinguishing herself among her peers. Her perseverance and dedication set her apart, and Paris became the stage for her most significant scientific achievement. While studying in Paris, Marie met Pierre Curie, a brilliant physicist. Their shared passion for science quickly brought them together both personally and professionally. The two married in 1895, forming a partnership that would lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Pierre's support and collaboration were instrumental in Marie's research, and together they embarked on a journey that would change the world of science forever. Marie and Pierre Curie's partnership was built on mutual respect and a shared love of discovery. They worked side by side in a modest laboratory, often under difficult conditions. Their collaboration led to the discovery of two new elements, polonium and radium. The Curies' dedication to their work, despite limited resources, demonstrated the power of teamwork and perseverance in scientific research. Marie Curie's most significant contribution to science was her pioneering research on radioactivity, a term she coined herself. Through meticulous experiments, she demonstrated that certain elements emitted energy from within their atoms. This discovery revolutionized the understanding of atomic physics and opened new avenues for research in both physics and chemistry. Marie's work laid the groundwork for future innovations in medicine, energy, and technology. Marie Curie introduced the term radioactivity to describe the spontaneous emission of energy from certain elements. This concept was groundbreaking as it challenged existing theories about the structure of matter. By naming and defining radioactivity, Marie provided scientists with a new framework for understanding atomic behavior, which would have far-reaching implications for science and industry. 1903, Marie Curie, along with Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity. Marie became the first woman ever to receive a Nobel Prize. This recognition was not only a personal triumph but also a milestone for women in science. The award brought international attention to her research and inspired countless others to pursue scientific careers. Despite her demanding research schedule, Marie Curie was also a devoted mother to her two daughters, Irene and Eve. She managed to balance the responsibilities of family life with her scientific pursuits, often involving her children in her work. Marie's ability to juggle these roles demonstrated her remarkable strength and resilience, serving as a role model for working mothers everywhere. 1906, tragedy struck when Pierre Curie died in a street accident. Marie was devastated by the loss of her beloved partner, but she found the strength to continue their work. She took over Pierre's teaching position at the Sorbonne, becoming the first female professor at the university. Despite her grief, Marie's dedication to science never faltered, and she continued to break new ground in her research. Marie Curie's appointment as the first female professor at the University of Paris was a historic achievement. She broke barriers in academia, inspiring women around the world to pursue higher education and careers in science. Her lectures were renowned for their clarity and passion, and she mentored many students who would go on to make significant contributions to science themselves. Marie Curie's research led to the discovery of two new elements, polonium, named after her homeland Poland, and radium. These discoveries were monumental as they expanded the periodic table and deepened the understanding of atomic structure. The isolation of radium in particular opened up new possibilities for medical treatments and scientific exploration. Radium, one of the elements discovered by Marie Curie, soon found its way into medical applications. It became a crucial tool in the treatment of cancer, particularly in radiation therapy. Marie's work not only advanced scientific knowledge but also brought hope to countless patients. Her discoveries continue to influence medical science and patient care to this day. 1911, Marie Curie was awarded her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and her investigation of their properties. She became the first person ever to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. This extraordinary achievement cemented her place in history and demonstrated her unparalleled dedication to scientific discovery. Marie Curie's success in a male-dominated field was groundbreaking. She faced discrimination and skepticism from her peers, yet she persevered, letting her work speak for itself. Her achievements challenged societal norms and opened doors for women in science, inspiring future generations to pursue their dreams regardless of gender. During World War I, Marie Curie put her scientific expertise to use on the battlefield. She developed mobile X-ray units known as little Curies, which were used to diagnose injuries in soldiers. Marie personally trained medical staff and even drove the units herself. Her efforts saved countless lives and demonstrated the practical value of scientific innovation in times of crisis. Mobile X-ray units, affectionately called little Curies, were a revolutionary advancement in battlefield medicine. Marie Curie oversaw their deployment and operation, ensuring that wounded soldiers received timely and accurate diagnoses. These units marked a significant step forward in medical technology and highlighted Marie's commitment to using science for humanitarian purposes. Marie Curie didn't just invent new technology, she also trained doctors and nurses to use it effectively. She organized courses and workshops, teaching medical personnel how to operate the X-ray machines safely. Her hands-on approach ensured that her innovations had a lasting impact on medical care during and after the war. Marie Curie's achievements inspired a new generation of women to pursue careers in science. She advocated for women's education and professional opportunities, often mentoring young female scientists. Her legacy continues to encourage women to break barriers and contribute to scientific progress. 1914, Marie Curie founded the Radium Institute, later known as the Curie Institute in Paris. The institute became a leading center for research in radioactivity and cancer treatment. Marie's vision was to create a space where scientists could collaborate and push the boundaries of knowledge, and her institute remains at the forefront of medical research today. Marie Curie's passion for science was passed down to her daughter Iron, who also became a Nobel Prize-winning scientist. The Curie family's legacy of discovery and innovation continues to inspire scientists around the world. Their story is a testament to the power of curiosity, hard work, and family support in achieving greatness. Marie Curie's work earned her international acclaim. She traveled extensively, giving lectures and attending scientific conferences. Her reputation as a pioneering scientist was recognized by institutions and governments worldwide, and she received numerous honors and awards throughout her career. Marie Curie's exposure to radioactive materials took a toll on her health. At the time, the dangers of radiation were not fully understood, and she often worked without adequate protection. Despite suffering from chronic illnesses, Marie remained dedicated to her research, demonstrating extraordinary courage and commitment. Marie Curie's discoveries revolutionized medical science. Her work with radium led to the development of new cancer treatments and diagnostic tools. Hospitals and research centers around the world continue to benefit from her pioneering research, and her legacy lives on in every patient whose life has been improved by radiation therapy. Marie Curie was a passionate advocate for science education. She believed that knowledge should be accessible to all and worked tirelessly to promote scientific literacy. Through her teaching, writing, and public speaking, she inspired countless individuals to pursue scientific inquiry and critical thinking. Marie Curie published numerous scientific papers and books, sharing her research with the world. Her publications were widely read and respected, contributing to the global advancement of science. Marie's commitment to open communication and collaboration set a standard for future generations of researchers. Marie Curie earned the respect and admiration of her peers in the scientific community. She was invited to join prestigious organizations and received honorary degrees from leading universities. Her influence extended far beyond her own research, shaping the direction of scientific inquiry for decades to come. Marie Curie was known for her humility, integrity, and unwavering dedication to science. She lived simply, refusing to patent her discoveries so that others could benefit from her work. Her personal values set her apart as not only a brilliant scientist but also a compassionate and ethical human being. Marie Curie's discoveries continue to influence modern science. Her research on radioactivity laid the foundation for advancements in nuclear physics, chemistry, and medicine. The principles she established remain central to scientific progress, and her legacy endures in laboratories and hospitals around the world. Marie Curie's life and achievements have made her a role model for women everywhere. She demonstrated that intelligence, perseverance, and hard work can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. Her story continues to inspire women to pursue their passions and break new ground in every field. Marie Curie's contributions have been honored in many ways. Schools, research institutes, and awards bear her name, and statues and memorials have been erected in her honor. Her legacy is celebrated around the world, ensuring that her impact on science and society will never be forgotten. Curie family's legacy extends beyond Marie herself. Her daughter Iron and son-in-law Frédéric Joliot Curie continued her work, making significant discoveries in nuclear science. The family's collective achievements have had a profound impact on the scientific world, demonstrating the power of collaboration and shared purpose. Marie Curie's life story continues to inspire people of all ages. Her courage, determination, and brilliance serve as a reminder that anyone can make a difference. Whether in science, education, or everyday life, her example encourages us to pursue our goals with passion and integrity. Marie Curie was renowned for her scientific integrity. She insisted on rigorous experimentation and honest reporting of results, setting a high standard for researchers everywhere. Her commitment to truth and transparency helped build public trust in science and established best practices that are still followed today. Marie Curie's research laid the foundation for the development of nuclear science. Her discoveries paved the way for advancements in nuclear energy, medical imaging, and cancer treatment. The principles she established continue to guide scientists in exploring the mysteries of the atomic world. Marie Curie's dedication to research was unmatched. She often worked long hours in challenging conditions, driven by a relentless curiosity and desire to uncover the secrets of nature. Her perseverance in the face of adversity is a testament to the power of passion and hard work. Marie Curie believed in sharing scientific knowledge with the public. She gave lectures, wrote articles, and participated in public discussions, helping to demystify science and make it accessible to all. Her efforts to engage with society helped foster a greater appreciation for scientific research. Marie Curie's influence extends far beyond the scientific community. She is celebrated as a global icon of perseverance, intelligence, and humanitarianism. Her story is taught in schools around the world, and her legacy continues to inspire people from all walks of life. Scientific principles established by Marie Curie remain fundamental to modern research. Her emphasis on careful observation, experimentation, and critical thinking continues to guide scientists today. Marie's approach to science serves as a model for anyone seeking to understand the world through inquiry and evidence. Marie Curie's legacy lives on in the growing number of women pursuing careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Her example has helped break down barriers and create opportunities for women in fields that were once closed to them. Today, women scientists around the world continue to build on her achievements. Marie Curie's impact on science and society endures to this day. Her discoveries continue to shape research, medicine, and technology, while her life story inspires people to pursue their dreams. The values she embodied, curiosity, perseverance, and compassion, remain as relevant as ever. Marie Curie passed away in 1934, but her legacy lives on. She is remembered not only for her scientific achievements but also for her courage, humility, and dedication to the betterment of humanity. Her life serves as a powerful reminder of the impact one person can have on the world. Marie Curie's life teaches us the importance of perseverance, curiosity, and integrity. She overcame adversity, challenged conventions, and made discoveries that changed the world. Her story encourages us to pursue knowledge, embrace challenges, and strive for excellence in everything we do. As we conclude our journey through the life of Marie Curie, we are reminded of her timeless inspiration. Her achievements in science, her resilience in the face of hardship, and her commitment to humanity have left an indelible mark on the world. Marie Curie's legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, reminding us all of the power of knowledge and the importance of following our passions.